yeah, just showing you around my new room because I've moved house. Yeah, it looks out to the balcony. I will take you out there now. It's really windy at the moment, but yeah, and that's where the drone flew in. There's a tanker over there actually. That's pretty cool. Got a little sailing boat, some other boat.
Can't do the video. I can't upload it or anything. Mum and Dad are talking to each other now. I'm a bit fucked. I sort of ran away from school and they were not too happy. And obviously, because my school is a special school, they weren't really happy with that. So I was sort of fucked up. And I went all the way to Rochester from Maidstone, all the way to Rochester. Weren't really happy with me for that. They weren't really happy with me for that. So I had to spit my words out. I'm not really that hyper today or excited. I am that lucky that I get to keep my iMacs and my phone and everything else. And I'm lucky I still get to go to Cobham tomorrow. I could have got excluded from my school as well, so that's quite bad as well. They were not too happy because I'm almost in year 11. I need to start acting my age, not my shoe size. Even though my shoe size is 8, still, you guys get the point. But yeah, peace. Have a good day.